In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Doordash credits effectively. Now, whether you've received credits as a promotion through customer service or as a gift, knowing how to apply them can make your next meal delivery more affordable. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to start by opening the Doordash app on your device. Once you're logged in, you're ready to explore how these credits work. It's important to know that Doordash credits are automatically applied to any eligible order that you make. This includes both the cost of the food and any tips you decide to include. So once you have credits issued to your account, rest assured they'll apply to your very next purchase seamlessly. To keep track of your credit balance, the Doordash app makes it quite simple. What you want to do next is navigate to your account profile. You'll find the profile icon located in the lower right corner of the app's main screen. It might be labeled as Account, and it's your key access point to managing your settings and personal information. Once you're in your account settings, look for the section labeled Payment Methods. Here, you can see detailed information about your account balance, including any available credits. This is where you'll want to frequently check to ensure you're aware of the available credits you can use on future orders. Now, it's also possible that instead of credits, you have a Doordash gift card. If you want to utilize a gift card, you'll need to redeem it manually. For this, go back into your account settings under Payment Methods. Within this menu, you'll find an option specifically for gift cards. All you need is the gift card PIN code, which you can enter into the designated section, and any balance on the card will be transferred into Doordash credits. It's a straightforward but necessary step to make sure your funds are accessible for your deliveries. In summary, making the most of your Doordash credits can significantly affect the convenience and cost efficiency of your orders. Just remember to check that your credits are available in your account and that they're automatically applied to your eligible orders, including tips. And if you have gift cards, make sure to redeem them by entering the PIN shown on the card to transform them into credits ready for your next purchase. With these steps, you'll be fully equipped to maximize the benefits of your Doordash credits. Enjoy your next meal delivery, knowing that you've saved a bit through your credits. I hope this guide helps you navigate your Doordash account with more ease and confidence.